welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make this very cute dress for our doll. I just put these two pearl buttons here, but if you don't have this pearl button, you can put a snap. This is very easy and so quick to do. So I will just using a stash that I have here because it won't do, you won't be using much yarn on this project. And I'm going to use this 2mm crochet hook and our crochet thread. So to start with, we're going to do our slip knot and make a chain. You can make a chain, and as you go along, you can fit it on your doll from the waist until the until here on top of the bust line. So I think this is enough. I am also taking in consideration my turning chain, so it will be of the same height. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chains. So now we're going to make a single crochet on the second chain from the hook. The chain on our hook doesn't count, so 1 and 2, so it will be here, and make a single crochet until we reach the end. So now I made a row of single crochet. Now it's time to do the second row. Turn your work and single crochet on both loops on the first chain. But from the second chain until the second chain from the last, we're going to make a single crochet on the back loop only, this loop. So that would be the pattern in all rows. Single crochet on the back loop only. So now we are on our last chain. I will be doing a single crochet on both loops. So both loops on the first and last chain. But that is only my preference because it will be having a cleaner sides if you do like that. Turn your work, single crochet on both loops on the first chain, and continue doing your single crochet on the back loop for the rest of the stitches except for the last one. So that will be our pattern, a single crochet on the back loop until you reach a certain length wherein you can wrap it around on the body of your doll. So now we have made several rows of single crochet, and now we're going to test if we can wrap around the upper body of our doll. So if you're going to make use of a snap, make sure that you will be overlapping at least 2 rows of each side. And if not, if you're going to use a button, you can make a chain on both sides. Make sure that the button you're going to use will goes in on that chain that you're going to make on both sides. So I think this will fit my doll. It is overlapping already on the 2 rows, and this is the front side. So now we are ready to move on our next part. What I am going to do next is chain of 1, and I'm going to make a single crochet at the bottom. Make a single crochet on each chain across our row. So now we are on our last stitch, and make your last single crochet, and now we can join both our ends. We have to find our last chain and make a slip knot. So I chained 5. The chain 5 will be the double crochet and chain 2 space, and we're going to make a double crochet on the same space. Now we're going to skip 1 chain and make our 1 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet on the same chain. So basically we're going to do a V stitch. So that will be our repeat for this round. Skip 1 chain, double crochet on the next, chain 2, and double crochet on the same space. Now we are on our last 2 chains here, and we're going to skip 1, and we're going to make our double crochet on the next one, chain 2, and double crochet on the same chain. And slip stitch on the 3rd chain. Next row or next round will be a slip stitch on our chain 2 space, chain 3, make 2 more double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet on the same chain 2 space. On the next chain 2 space, we're just going to make 1 double crochet. So it is an alternate of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and a double crochet on the next chain 2 space. On the next chain 2 space, we're going to make our shell of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet. On the next chain 2 space, you're going to make 1 double crochet. So that will be our repeat until we reach our end. So now we are on our last chain 2 space, and we're going to make 1 double crochet and slip stitch on our first chain 3, so that finishes our second row for our skirt. Next one, we have to make a slip stitch until we reach our chain 2 space. Chain 3, make 2 more double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet on the same chain 2 space. This time we're going to do a front post double crochet on our double crochet post here. So yarn over and put your hook underneath the double crochet, yarn over and make your front post double crochet. So that will be our repeat. So now we are on our chain 2 space. Three double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet. Then we have to make a front post, so we need to yarn over and put our hook underneath our double crochet post and make our front post double crochet from this round. So you're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and a front post double crochet on all of these front post double crochets on the next round. As you progress doing your skirt, you can just take your doll and then decide on how long you want to make your skirt. The yellow one is much longer than the orange one, so I prefer to have it this long only. So thank you again for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for your notifications. And happy crocheting, stay safe everyone, and God bless.